Welcome back. In this video, we are continuing the series of 1000 GK questions. Today, we are going to discuss about Vedic age most important questions. These two videos are already uploaded. If you have not watched it, please check it out. Links will be provided in the description. So let's start. 1. What are the components of the Vedas? Correct answer is C. Vedanga. 2. Which of the following is the earliest form of Veda? Correct answer is D. Rig Veda. 3. As per the Rigvedic or early Vedic period, 1500-1000 BC, who among the following was a river? Goddess? Correct answer is B. Sindhu. 4. Gayatri Mantra, the highly revered mantra, is from which of the following? Correct answer is B. Rigveda. 5. The Rigveda is a collection of 1038 hymns divided into mandalas. Correct answer is B. 10. 6. Which of the following Upvedas is associated with Rigveda? Correct answer is B. Ayurveda. 7. The Rigveda includes more than 1,000 of hymns called. Correct answer is B. Sukta. 8. From which Upanishad is the phrase Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs, mentioned below? The emblem of India taken? Correct answer is D. Mundaka. 9. Rig Veda, Samaveda, and Yajurveda are jointly called? Correct answer is C. Vedatrayi. 10. Was considered to be most valuable possession in the early Vedic period? Correct answer is C. Cattle. 11. Which of the following was not a Varna of Indian society? Correct answer is D. Valsvik. 13. Which one of the following Vedas is not part of Vedatrayi? Correct answer is B. Rig Veda. 13. To whom is the Gayatri Mantra dedicated? Correct answer is B. Savitri, a solar deity. 14. The term for war in the Rig Vedic period was Gavishti, which means it is the contemporary term for factions as well. Correct answer is C. Search for cows. 15. Which animal is declared as Aghanya in Rig Veda? Correct answer is B. Cow. 16. According to the Chaturashrama of the Vedic period, which of the following terms is related to the period of family life? Correct answer is D. Grihast. 17. Which of the following were the yajnas that were performed during the Vedic age? 1. Vratyastama Yajna. 2. Ashwamedha Yajna. 3. Rajsuya Yajna. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Correct answer is B. 2 and 3. 18. In the context of later Vedic period, what may not be correct? Correct answer is B. The importance of both Sabha and Samiti was inclined. 19. Regarding the early Vedic age, which of the following statements is correct? Correct answer is C. Religion was not based on magico-ritual formulae. 20. Which one among the following is not a characteristic of Rigvedic Aryans? Correct answer is B. They were acquainted with the use of iron. 21. Which of the Vedas contains about 350 hymns in praise of Indra who are described as destroying cities? Correct answer is A. Rig Veda. 22. Which of the following cities of Uttar Pradesh was known by its ancient name, Ayodhya? Correct answer is A. Ayodhya. 23. Which of the following statements is not true about the post-Vedic society? Correct answer is A. Only a wife could participate independently in the yajna as a shrota. 24. Which of the following texts gives a long list of crafts and occupations in the list of victims in the Purusmedha sacrifice? Correct answer is B. Vatsneyi Sanhita. 25. What was the root cause of the religious movements in India during the 6th century BC? Correct answer is A. Sacrifice of cattle on a large scale due to Vedic practices. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.